Again, welcome to my channel. The second part or second episode of Python coding. Let's go to our website Google Colab. Now, let's start. First, I will tell a simple coding. A is equal to 3, B is equal to 6. Print B is greater than equal to A or B greater than A. True, because 6 is greater than 3 means B is greater than A. Next, I will tell now some important things of coding in Python. First, enter your name. The name is a string. After, your age is integer. As you can see, this is all called as string. After that, this is called as integer. After that, we can see another thing called as float. After that, we can see chocolates is equal to true. It is a type of boolean. If you want to know what are these, you can go to the third episode. Let's meet in the third episode. Bye. Thank you. And please subscribe and give more supportive. And please like and share and subscribe again.